Hi, my name is Manny Lemes. I am a licensed Massachusetts HVAC contractor specialist, and I'm here today to open the door of Noboair so you can see what happened behind the scenes in your project. This is our administrative office where we handle scheduling, payments, and customer service.
Good afternoon, Noboair. How may I help you?
Here is where your projects take shape, where we can work directly with the client to design, develop, and come up with the best solution for your HVAC needs and requirements. This is our shop and warehouse where we keep equipment, ductwork, and hardware necessary to complete your project, and where we can custom make fittings and all the needs parts to do the best HVAC system for our clients. And of course, our field team is our heart of Noboair. Skills professionals who bring all the planning to life, delivering the best results to the top quality service for every client. Everything we do at Noboair is guided by care, expertise, and attention to details.